Now let's make our web work. First, we connect HTML elements to JavaScript using getElementById. We will connect the input element, the button element, and finally the UL element where we display the tasks. So let's connect them. Then we create an empty element called tasks. Each time we add a new task, we will store it inside this array. Next, we define a function named render. The curly braces show us the start and end of all the actions these functions will perform. The very first thing we do inside render is clear out the existing list. Then we start a loop that says, do this next set of action for every single task we have stored in our data list. Inside the loop, we create a new empty list item. We copy the description of the current task for our data and paste it into that new list item. We immediately stick this new filed in box onto the main list visible on the web page. Finally, we attach an action to the add button. The entire block of code we are going to add will only run when someone clicks on the button. We grab the text the user typed and clean it up by removing any extra spaces from the start or end. We check, does this text actually contain words? We only continue if the user typed something useful. If it's good text, we save it permanently into our main task list. We clean the typing area on the screen so the user can easily type the next item. Then we call the render function. This tells the web page to look at our updated storage list and instantly show the new task on the screen. So let's try it out. Type something, click add, and your first task appears.